Hi, today I wanted to show you an early prototype of a coffee roaster that I call WojciechRoaster Mini. It is mini because it's a smaller version of a coffee roaster that you can see in one of my previous videos, to which I will add a link at the end of this video. And it's an early prototype because you can see that some of the electronics is still missing, as well as the chaff collector. It is a smaller version than the previous coffee roaster because you can see that the heating element and the air pump are now hidden in the base, and that makes the roaster much smaller and also much quieter. Here I wanted to show you that the roaster can lift 400 grams of coffee. So there is 400 grams of coffee in the chamber now, and I will turn on the roaster. And you can see the roaster has no problem lifting this amount of coffee. It is of course too much to roast at one time, but I just wanted to show you that the air pump is strong enough to lift this much coffee. This is all that I wanted to show you for now. Thank you for watching.